Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Nina and I talk about style, tips, hacks and tricks, as well as skincare ideas and wellness tips. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the items that I pick up from Sezane. And on today's Sezane haul, I'm actually gonna share with you their iconic tops and iconic bottoms. Without further ado, let me start with the first item, which is the Pierro Shirt. This one comes with a whole different of colors. Printed bouquet, beige, printed purple flowers, ecro, botanical flowers, Daphne, rose bouquet, and the one I have is actually the blue peonies. Now the color is actually a little bit darker than the one on the website, I think. Now for the composition, this is actually made of 100% organic cotton. It's very lightweight, so this is something good not only for spring but for summer. Now for the description, this is one of the iconic shirt. It's actually long sleeves. It has that classic color, the buttoning in front, a straight cut, and the length is actually 66.3 centimeter or 26.1 inches for a size of 36. So it's a little bit longer than the other blouses on Sezane. Now the button is actually on a different colors. It's white. So I wish they would have made it like blue to match the color of this blouse. And on the sleeve end, it has that one button as well. I think it's true to size, but if you want a little bit tighter, you can size down. But if you want to be a little bit more loose, you can size up. I love their iconic items on Sezane because that is something that will never go out of style. The best colors to actually pair with this shirt is white or denim bottom or jeans. Now let me show you how I style this iconic shirt. I want to show you the length of this shirt, and as you can see, it's not very long and it's not very short. And for the sizing reference, I am 5'6" and weigh 154 pounds. I'm wearing size 4 or 36 instead of a size 6 or medium, just because I want it to be a little bit tight on me, and as you can see, it's not very tight actually. So the next item on my haul is this Couer Jumper, and this actually is not part of their iconic knitwear, but they have this on their website for a very long time, and I think it's very beautiful. Now this one comes with rosewood, ecru color, sea mist, as well as black. For the description, it is wool and kid mohair jumper with long, slightly balloon sleeves, fancy knitting wrap sweater that can be tied at the side, can be worn with a v-neck opening at the front or as a pullover with the opening at the back. Now the length from shoulder is 54 centimeter or 21.2 inches for a size of small. It's actually more on a crop side. So the length is short, and the balloon sleeves is actually not very exaggerated. I think it's in the middle. It's not slightly and it's not exaggerated. And it actually tightens at the wrist area. And it's a wrap around. Now, like what I said, you can wear the opening in the back or in the front. Now, the open area is actually bigger than I thought. So if you don't want to show too much of your skin or too much of your front, too much on your back, then you can probably wear something inside. And at the bottom of this jumper, you have this details. A few things I like about this jumper is the sleeves and the color. I think the color is very feminine and it's perfect for spring. Now you can also wear this during fall or even winter just because it's on the warmer side. You can't go wrong wearing white or anything neutral beige on this color. Now let me show you how I style this beautiful jumper. I am wearing a size 4 or 36 or small on this jumper just because I want it to be a little bit tight, and as you can see, it's not actually very tight on me. And I am wearing the open area in the back, as you can see. I have decided to wear a bralette as I don't want to show too much of my skin in the back. The material of this jumper is actually very soft and I am loving it. The next item on my haul is this Nora Shirt. It actually only comes with the color Bougainvillea. Now the color, I am not too sure. I think it's pretty, but it's not my color. For the details and description, this is actually a short sleeve shirt, gathered and ruffled details on the front, ruffled stand collar, smock bottom sleeve, and the length is actually 59 centimeters, and it is made of 100% recycled polyester for the main fabric. Now I absolutely love the details in the front, as you can see, the ruffled details, and as well as ruffled details on the neckline. And then at the end of the sleeves, it has that kind of like garter style. The color of this blouse is actually not red, just like in the website. The website kind of looks more like on the red side, but in person it's actually a little bit more on the fuchsia side. Now the material is very thin. It's actually see-through, as you can see. And then the material cannot be wrinkled easily, which I think is a great thing. I absolutely love the details in the front. I think it just makes this blouse a little bit more elevated, and it's well made. I actually also like the end of the sleeves, which is more like garterized, so it tightens at the end of it. it's true to size. Now the buttons are actually covered. Now you got that details on the neck line. And as you can see, it also has that line details, which is actually beautiful. It's kind of difficult to pair this with different colors, but I think the best colors to wear this with is black or white. And because it's on the material is on the thin side, this is something you could probably wear it during summer. Because it's made of polyester, it can get hot. Now let me show you how I styled this blouse. Leave a comment below if this is something that you think I should keep or return. The length of this shirt is actually shorter than I thought, and the size is actually more tight than I thought. I am wearing size 4 or small, and I think a size medium or a size 6 would have been better on me. Let's move along to the iconic bottoms. Now their iconic bottoms is actually Clara is French for flawless. The 7 to 8 cut has magical powers that will flatter your silhouette, which is true. I absolutely love their bottoms. I think it's very well made, and it's very flattering to my body type. Dreamed up in the studio and brought to life by our best artisans, so you can welcome a little retro into your life. So the first bottom that I have is the Austin trousers. And for this one, it comes with wash black, cargo green, caramel, fleck ecru, lilac, and black. And I have the bleach color. Now, the blue color of it is actually a little bit on the darker side compared to the one on the website. I don't think I like the color in person. It's more like, it kind of looks dirty in person. So I don't know if I want to keep this one. Now for the description on this trouser is actually, it has the paper bag vibes. Austin is the little brother of the Alvin, revised and improved. And it is high-waisted, very high-waisted. Ankle-length trousers, belted paper bag cut, stitched pleats at the waist, the zip and hook closure on the front, Italian pockets and pipe back pocket, and the inside length 72 centimeter, and it is made of 98% organic cotton and 2% elastane for the main fabric, and for the pocket lining is 100% organic cotton. Now this is actually quite different from the trousers. It has that, I don't know how you call it, like the design on the waist area, and it kind of like, it's kind of weird for me, and it has that paper bag effect. But a lot of the paper bag effect or paper bag trousers or pants are actually not good for someone who wants to hide their belly fat, but this one, it actually does cover it, so, which is a good thing. Things that I don't like about this trouser is this side. When you need to wear a belt to actually make this tighten, otherwise it's just gonna be flimsy like this. It comes with a belt, or you can take off the belt and then put a leather belt. It has that pleated in the front, and then it's actually wide on top, and becomes narrower at the bottom. Now let me show you how I styled this trouser, and leave me a comment below if this is something that I think you think I should keep or return. I'm actually surprised, but I do love the fit of these jeans or trousers on my body. It's kind of tricky to tie this kind of belt, but leave me a comment below if you think I did a good job. I am wearing a size 8 on these trousers, and I think it's perfect on me.